Welcome to the Service Center Salesforce Overview module. In order to deepen your understanding of this process, please log into Salesforce and follow along as we guide you through each section. By the end of this module, you will be able to identify how the Service Center uses Salesforce to populate lead information and interpret and apply knowledge of different information fields within Salesforce. Throughout this training, we will be using common Service Center acronyms. Click on each icon to learn what each acronym stands for. Access Salesforce by going to the One Team homepage and use your Able2 Gmail account to log on. As a new hire, your homepage will not default to the most optimum view for your department. In order to set this up, hover over the menu and click on the App Launcher. This gives you different options of views based on different departments. The view you want to select is ECSC Inbound. Next, click on the drop-down navigation arrow and click on Leads. This is a powerful search bar, as you can search by many different features such as phone number, member ID, policy ID, email, and first or last name. When searching by an email, as long as there are one or more leads that have that email listed, it will populate. After searching, click on the name of the lead to pull the lead's information up. Here, you will see the different lead sections. As a Service Center agent, you will be completing fields within the following sections: background information, HIPAA verification, inbound referral information, and information for initial consultation. In the next slide, you will be able to explore these sections further. Click on the icons to learn more about each section. Background information includes a member's name, date of birth, the status of the customer's initial consultation, the type of program, their language, and gender. The lead owner is the engagement center specialist that takes ownership of this record, also known as a lead, once they are able to make contact with the member and schedule them with their initial consultation. If scheduled by the Service Center, the lead could also be a Service Center agent. Customer status tells us where the lead is in the process of getting scheduled for an initial consultation. There are two main statuses that are used. One is in process, and the second is when the initial consultation is ready to be scheduled, and that is IC scheduled. Another important identifier you will find in the background information section is the product line. This allows you to identify what product the system has determined that this member should be enrolled in. The product lines that you will be selecting in Salesforce will be Therapy Plus and Therapy 360. It is important to note that although Able2 offers a Digital Plus program, the product line drop-down does not have this as an option in Salesforce. A data dump is an electronic file that we receive from the insurance. An inbound referral. A self-referral is. Here, we will familiarize ourselves with the bulk of what goes into the background information section. The member ID field is the name of the member's insurance company. The phone/video preference field is intended for use with certain insurance companies that require phone or video sessions. The digital FAQ box allows you to share information about Able2's programs with members who are interested but not yet enrolled. They will be sent more information when this box is checked. The SMS option allows our members to receive text messages. If they are interested, you can opt them in for that here. The customer ID is the member's ID number. This member ID is the number that is found on the member's insurance card. It may also go by the name of policy ID. This is what Salesforce calls this particular number. The participant ID is assigned. In the HIPAA verification section, there will be an address. Here you enter or edit information. There is also. In this section, you will see. The next section is the administration section. If you scroll down, you will see that there is a list of fields that are required to complete. We ask that you log out of Salesforce at the end of every